Let's run into a highlight reel of Rich driving the Cup 200 on slicks around Blyton Park.
Hi guys, well welcome to Blyton Park for the complete kit car track day of September the 9th. What an awesome event. The weather is stonking. It's almost too hot. It's like 29 degrees today. We've got plenty of cars zooming around. It's just after lunch now, going out on track. It's a great little circuit, especially if you're new into the scene of getting into kit cars and on track actions. Pretty forgiving out there. Got a few novice drivers that have turned up today, have never been here, and we've got some very experienced drivers. But the good thing is, on the track here, they control it all. They give plenty of track time out for everybody. They limit the number of cars out there. We've got all arrays. Now, today there must be at least 20 MKs here today. We've got a couple going out here. Here's James coming out just here in his S2000 car. Stonky little thing. Give us a thumbs up there, James. Yeah, he's ready to go. Just newly fitted the roll cage on that car as well. Fast car, we know they're like 230 horsepower, but what we're going to do now is going to give you a little bit of taste of what's turned up today in the pit lane. Bit of a thumbs up there on slicks today, giving out a little bit of a test out today as well, and then we're going to head on down here. Very little pretty, guess what that? It's a Phoenix, little booster in there as well, pretty little car, and as you know, MK own the Phoenix brand as well now, so it's something a little bit different, you don't see that often. And then we head on down through the rest of the pit garage here. Right, we've got some MEVs here. They're out on track, normally Mazda base car. They have great fun. There's always normally a good shout of MEVs at these track day events, especially at the kit car events and complete kit car magazine track days, always good. Now we've got a couple out on track at the moment. We've got with Atomic Racing here in RLM with the Cup cars. We've got the Cup 400 and 3 Cup 200s here today. Hashtag Stuart in his Chicks 1000 MK, another one coming on. We've got everything from Z-Tech MKs coming along. We've got a couple of Westfields here. These are a good variety of kit cars here today actually. Quite a lot of 7s, as you always do with track days, etc. But yeah, a couple of Westfields here. Booster car, booster turbo, I think that's S2000, I do believe on that particular one. little call. We've actually given the Striker just over there a little run out today. As you know, we own the Striker brand as well, and we've just given that a little bit of an opportunity. Could have got the Cup car out, but you know what? That has been sat in the workshop for such a long time, we thought it'd stretch its legs today. Then move over, more MEVs, Mazda Turbo, or Mazda Supercharged by then, not sure. Sounds awesome though. Then we got a little Tiger Avon. And then as you move down, we've got another MK here. And moving up to the end here, we've got some Strikers. Right, a little Striker Classic that we've got here. You tell it's a classic by this aim frame section here. The aero has this cut off and has a different scuttle on there as well. Not sure, I think it's a crossflow engine in that. And it's got a different rear one piece, so it's probably a much earlier car, probably a silver rather than a raw. And it's come from the Netherlands, so it's come a long way. Here we go, another Striker, and I know that car, it's got a little early CBR 1000 engine in that one, it's a 07 engine. He was here last year, quick little thing actually. Then we move on, got a couple of Tigers going on. 6, I do believe. And Dan from DJC here, as we know, Essex supplier. He's here with his 3-seater V-Storm track weapon. Been out at Silverstone, I do believe, as well yesterday, so giving that a real good shakedown. Then we've got a car that you won't see very often these guys' days, actually, which is the Global GT. So another Essex manufacturer that's taken over this, the Global GT Light. They run them in a series in Ireland, I do believe. A little 600cc motorbike engine in there. As you can see, it's tiny, very light, very compact car. And it's been going quite well, actually. And move into something different, a little Exo booster. Exo booster, I think it's got a booster in it, turbo. Yeah, turbocharged, very nice, probably big horsepower as they always are. Rappy little thing, you can tell by the intercooler just stacked up there, sucking in the air, getting that nice and cool, making that turbocharger work extremely well. And then we move on up to the back of the grid here. We've got a variety of cars actually, MEVs, and I'm not sure what that is actually. I'm shocked, but then we've got the ARL SP1. Now I do believe this is his first outing today, isn't it, guys? First outing today? Yeah. First outing in it, yeah? So it's the Aspire SP1 from ARL, isn't it? Yeah. So having a good time? Good, excellent. Having a great time on track, and that's what these events are all about. It's about the community coming together. Doesn't matter what brand or car you've got, it's getting it here, having great fun with the lights, the guys out here, and look at them all out here on track. Absolutely having a blast. There must be 20-30 cars out on track at the moment, absolutely flying around. And that's what this day is all about. So you need to support this, guys. Next year, September, get yourself in early with the tickets if they're running this again next year. It's a great day. The weather has been kind for the last 4 or 5 years in September. So get yourself booked on. If you subscribe to Complete Kit Car magazine, you'll see it on there, and you also get a discount at this event. So it's well worth attending. Right, continuing the pit lane walk here, guys. This was like MK lane, really, we should say. MK Sportscars lane. We've got a few cars here. Hi, Chris. Chris and his RX-5 Turbo there, great little car. Got another RX-5 there, Dom, his car. That's still normally aspirated at this particular moment in time. Then we've got 2 more turbo cars here. We've got Dave's car and we've got Julian's car. Both turbo Mazda RX-5s. It was just like RX-5 corner. There was about 10 of them here because a few of them are still out on track, so it's hard to catch them all at the same time. And then just over here, we do the final foray here. Got a couple of cars just about to come in because we're getting near the end of the day, closing up. We've got hashtag Pete's car just rolling in, which has got the Bourne K20 engine development in it as well. That's been doing today quite a bit of testing throughout the day. Terry and his team doing an amazing job tweaking that car and dialing it in for the rest of the day, and Pete, I can imagine he's going to have a smile from ear to ear. So moving up here, we got one of the other cars here, which is Nick Fowler's car, Hayabusa car. Just done some engine tweaks, again a bit of a shakedown day for him, I do believe. And we've got Brian in his Westfield, and Nick's car something a little bit different. We think you've seen this before, but Nick's, hi Nick! Nick and his dad's over there, Howard, and Nick's, for the people you don't know, Nick drives his car. As you can see, he's in a wheelchair and he does it all with his hand controls, guys, so does an awesome job flying around. Tyres are a little bit sticky today, a little bit loose, no slicks today, going really well though, a bit of a shakedown day. Shakedown day for Nick. Going all right? Car's going great. Great atmosphere as always down here, guys, and that's continuing on, and that's the end of the pit lane walk today, guys. Right, what an awesome day it has been here with the Complete Kit Car Magazine Track Day event at Blyton Park. The cars have been going round, the sun has been shining on us today, and I've got to say a big thanks to them and the team here at Blyton Park for putting this track day together. We had a couple of red flags, a couple of little issues out of day. They've sorted them out superb, and these guys, look at them, they're still going round. It's 30 degrees out there, everybody's having a blast, so get here next year, guys, or if not, another track day event here, perhaps with one of the other event organisers. It's been an amazing day. That's it. I'm just going to say big thanks to everybody that's involved, everybody that came today. It's been awesome. Listen, that's addictive. Like, share, subscribe. We will catch you next week, guys.